Hello and welcome to one of my many stress-free art sessions. I'm your host BaTo and I will be teaching you how to create art. For this session you can use a tablet to draw or a pencil and paper. I'm using an iPad and a free app called SketchBook to draw and paint in this and future sessions. For this session we are going to color our dinosaur. For those of you who just joined the channel, please go back to session 1, which is drawing a T-Rex with BaTo session. Once you do that one, come back and do painting a T-Rex with BaTo. In this session we are going to color our T-Rex. I'm choosing the color for the sky and I'm going to go with the blue. I'm going to create a new layer and I'm just going to put it in the back. So again, I'm doing the background first and I'm just roughing out the sky. I'm doing the clouds now. I'm just gonna paint them in. I'm stylizing it. So one thing I want to do is I want to make sure when somebody looks at my painting, they look at the T-Rex's head and the butterfly. And the way to do that is by drawing a sun, let's say in this case. So I'm placing the sun in the background. I'm almost framing the head of the T-Rex and the butterfly. For the body of the T-Rex, I'm gonna choose orange color. Orange color is complementary of the blue, so it's on the opposite side of the wheel color spectrum. One of the reasons I'm doing this is to create contrast. To learn more about color wheel, composition, complementary colors, color, value, please visit one of my sessions I did in the past on this channel. I feel it's faster and easier to color the dinosaur by rotating the canvas around. For the eyeball and the teeth, I decided to go with the white. To make our dinosaur more interesting, I wanted to create some sort of pattern. By placing elliptical shapes and not circular shapes, our dinosaur tends to look more interesting and more 3D dimensional. For the color of the butterfly wings, I decided to go with the purple color and I'm gonna do yellow and maybe blue dots, spots to create a different pattern for the butterfly wings to make it more interesting. Do final touches on the body and the eyes, and that's it for the butterfly. I'm gonna create a new layer and another layer I'm gonna paint grass on. Once I finish the grass coloring, that will be it. Before we turn this painting in, let's actually sign it. Voila! Now our painting is done. Thank you and hope to see you in the next session.